Hello and namaste everyone. Today I'm gonna unboxing this Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone, which is I'm waiting for since long time. Finally I got in my hand. Today I'm gonna unboxing this microphone. What are inside? Let's see. Stickers which we can stick in the microphone. Oh, this nice stickers which are here like this, which we can stick in the microphone. Okay, and the warranty cards, manuals, and here is two. I'll break this one out. Like this. Okay, so here is Type C, and here is lightning, and this is the microphone with charging case. This is the Hollyland microphone with charging case. Here is a charging port, and here inside there is a two microphone and one repeater, and this is the microphone. And what inside? More. Yes. And here is a one bag. There is a Hollyland metal sphere. And what inside? There is a more is there. Yeah. There is one wire jack. And Type C, that cable. I find here, and I didn't buy this online. I buy this on Carrefour, and it cost only 399 dirhams in UAE.